Well, what's up, folks? I'm coming back again. Been a while, I know. I'm going to be attempting to install this into my system. The second port is underneath, and in order to get to it, I have to remove the power supply. So I'm going to go ahead and remove all this junk and attempt to get that in without taking the motherboard out. I decided to go ahead and upgrade so I can install more stuff. The secondary port isn't quite exactly the same as the main port, which is I don't know if you can see that through the window or not, but it's right below there. Yeah, where that, yeah, sorry about that. In between the graphics card and the heatsink, that little black tab that you see in the middle there, that's the heatsink for the other M.2 card, which is only a 200 gig, or maybe it was a 250 gig. Yeah, I think it's a 250. At the time when I bought the 250, I was trying to go for the 500, but they were out of stock. And just recently they lowered the prices to this. I got this at Micro Center for $89. And see, I was attempting to get it at Best Buy, but because of the COVID crap going on, Best Buy kind of sucks right now. So I'm like, might as well just go ahead and go over to Micro Center and get it. And they didn't have it advertised at this price. But when I got there, I'm like, what, 89? I'm like, okay, yeah, I'll take that. So because of the tight space in this thing, I'm gonna attempt to install this. I might have to remove the board, but we shall see when I start getting more stuff out. Be right back, folks, after I take this stuff apart. Okay, I got the power supply removed, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but right there. Just gonna turn that a little bit. Get seated right into that slot right there, and the screw is right there. So let me see if I can get that in real quick. I forgot that my power supply was partially modular. It was a pain in the butt to get this thing out. Didn't want to slide out very well. I had to shake it. Okay, well, I'll be back to show you what I'm going to be doing. Well, I got it installed. Go ahead and move the light a little bit here. The screw is right there. A big pain in the butt to hold that down and screw that in. But it's done. Okay, well, now I get to put all this junk back. Well, let's go ahead and do that. I'll be back again. Yeah, and in order to be able to get that screw in, which is really small, by the way, I wasn't able to do this, but I used this. It's magnetic. It's just short enough to be able to get into there with the appropriate bit. Let's see here. I used, zoom in here. Yeah, I used, I think that the CRB 2.5. Yeah, I used that, or I used the one next to it. It was the only one small enough. This is just a basic electronics kit you can get anywhere on eBay. I didn't think I spent too much on it, but That was the only way I was able to get the screw in, and I had to do it extremely carefully. That was a pain in the butt. But anyways, I got it in. Yep, it works. Now I gotta fix the problem with the latest version of Windows and the VR headset. It keeps blue screening on me. It will only work on previous versions of 10. Well, that's a video for another day, maybe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.